Aye, Scott.
On, you're more than welcome. Just walk to the left. Yes, thank you. On you go.
Custodian of Crown.
You are margin from the hand and that.
We didn't.
We need to go on the pavement. Yeah, that's fine.
You watching your dad?
Yeah.
If anyone's in front of them, we just
Oh,
wait
no,
for you.
years ago, remember it? Years ago, when the guy got the rail and didn't vote.
And you've got one fairly.
Yeah, mate, like that. Took photos in.
This railroad right through
Oh,
you.
yeah. From what up to the, well, before COVID, we was up at the mall. It was
All
open.
right,
She
aye.
was
Oh,
and my daughter was in trees cutting poses. Running a video of them marching. And me and the daughter just like running up the street trees. Going into trees. That was well. Get one for her. Get one.
No, I feel like I'm on platform 19, Joe.
I remember. Grandma, you want to go on my shoulders? It's alright. No, Grandma will pick it up with him and teeth and Daddy goes down. You want to go on shoulders? Yeah? What's in on my How are you doing? Video.
Like this.
It's alright, I've got a feet.
Charlotte.
It's alright.
You're getting too big. Where's my sticker? It's here. Where's your sticker? What's that for?
It's for Michael. That must be coming down. Maybe just coming back.
There we go.
Michael's still down there.
Aye. Come down the traffic lane, Sandra.
Yeah.
That's the Rolls Royce on the drawbridge. Excuse me, you can stay on the pavement, please. Okay.
Extra to the crowd. Move to the left.